Guys, thanks for joining us. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car. This is one of the nicest 66 Chevelle SS's I've ever seen. It's a 396, 360 horsepower, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Originally from Arizona. Finished in Marina Blue with a black interior. Paint was done about 15 years ago and shows beautifully. It's got the 2-spoke wheel, 4-speed manual transmission, original trunk, original floors, Rallye 2 sitting on Redlines, and again, the most original one I've ever seen. Super correct. Right down to the T3 headlights. Beautiful fitment of all the panels. Hood doesn't even hang up in the corners up here. Correct squirters. Correct wiper blades. .396, 360 horse, numbers matching. Original air conditioning car, which is fantastic. It's all Harrison. You can all see all the tower clamps, correct hoses. The hole right there is for AC car. Power steering with the external reservoir fill. Very cool. Power brakes. And this FF Marina Blue. Correct carburetor. Manifolds, no headers. Just awesome. If you've ever been looking for a Chevelle for a while, this is it. Been doing this a very long time. I've never seen one like this. Just not around. Whoever ordered this car checked every box. There you go. Buckets, console. Correct door panels. Right down to the felts in there. They're not replacement felts. These are OEM felts. You can tell how flush they are. 2-spoke wood wheel. 100,526 miles. Push button AM FM, AC dash, AC controls, factory AC. Beautiful dash. Yeah, so great. Interior even looks original to me. Original seat belts. You can't buy these seat belts. The rear armrests. Very cool. Yeah, see the GM. 3910. Beautiful headliner. Door shut, beautiful. Very nice fitment of all the panels. Super straight body. This doesn't get any better. Again, original trunk pan. You can tell by the grommets. See those in the on the website. Got about 200 photos of this car. I'm gonna fire it up for you. Distinct 360 horse sound. 12-bolt rear. Beautiful stainless. Gorgeous chrome. Original style insulation. Look at the fitment of the hood. That is fantastic. The hood doesn't push out here like those reproduction hinges do. Just don't see them like this. Man, I love this car, bro. This thing is incredible. It's got the knee knocker tach. AC works. Like a celebrity driving this car. This is one of the nicest Chevelles I've ever been in. You know I love originality. Oh yeah? Yeah, man, it's just crazy. Sounds so nice. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.